and you can see the lines where they put the different pieces of the pitch in. That's obviously not probably what we are all used to, but again, that's not a problem, because the good news is both teams play on this pitch. That somebody thought it's a good idea to bring the pitch a day before the game into the stadium. That's an interesting idea, to be honest. But it's like it is, and it will not. Didn't kill my mood for 1%. I'm really happy that we are here, and we would have played on beton, if you ask me. So that's fine. Now we are here and we play the game, and that's it. Favorite, yeah. And you said easy question, so I cannot see that as an easy question because I don't have an easy answer. I don't know. So if you look at the history of the club, if you look at the experience of the other team, if you look about the way Real Madrid celebrated pretty much comebacks, had comebacks in the games, crazy. Then I would say, from my point of view, it's Real Madrid because of experience. But actually, I want us to be on the same level, these kind of things, thinking us on the same level, want to be us in this game, being completely ourselves. And if we are on the top of our game, we are difficult to play.